Welcome back to Twisted Sisters.
Introducing the Shauna Brooks.
Hey.
She's saying no, boo bitch.
Thank you for finally coming. You know, I've been trying to get you on the show for a year.
Really?
Yes, a long time, honey. You be busy, girl.
I be jugging.
You be jugging. All right.
I'm going to put our friend on speaker. You're on the air, Two Twisted Sisters. Go ahead, please. Ask your question.
Okay, my question to you, Shauna, how do you push through every day so strong and so willing and just keep going? Because, like, I mean, I have these moments where I just want to break down, and then I just go and, like, look at your Instagram, and, girl, you just build me back up.
Me pushing through and my ambition to be successful is what gets me through every day. Every day I am doing something positive and a step forward into my career.
Awesome.
When I never had one to start. I'm petty.
Right.
My
Girl,
pettiness.
me too.
My petty gets me through.
It makes you
if
laugh.
Right, because if I don't, then I'm going to be in my feelings.
Yeah.
Stuff. What's your name, darling?
My name is Corey.
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Thank you for
but,
calling in.
Yeah, I tune into anything and everything of Shauna. Shauna, you are an inspiration to me. You are my idol, girl. Like, you literally, you make my life better each day.
Thank
just
you.
Just by seeing your posts and stuff. I'm serious.
That
is
you are
awesome.
heaven sent.
Thank you.
Not forgetting about
Yay!
Shauna was on there. I said, I gotta call in.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much. We're going to take another caller.
Have a good day, darling. Two Twisted Sisters.
Yes, I have a question for Miss Shauna Brooks.
Go
I'm
ahead.
here, baby. What's your name? Where are you calling from?
You can call me Dior, and I'm calling from your neck of the woods, Miss Shauna, from VA.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to know, I'm starting my journey of living my truth as a trans woman, and I just wanted to know what type of advice would you give to somebody who is starting this journey? I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh, y'all gonna make me cry.
Oh,
Jesus.
You have to be strong. You have to be strong. You cannot listen to what other people say. You have to literally find it in your heart, inside of you, the strength every day, because we wear our truths on our sleeves. It's physical and it's outward, and it's the first thing. Even if you're passable, you're still that aura that we have. You know, all trans women have that quote unquote something special, that it factor, or something different. You look exotic. However it is or how it may come across, we wear our truths. You have to find it somewhere deep inside that what you have, what you aspire to be, what you want to give out into the universe is the same thing that you want in return. Treat people how you want to be treated. Don't hang around people that don't have your best interest at heart.
Absolutely.
And if they talk about you, or if they judge you in any aspect, and you deal with them and you handle them accordingly. Because sometimes if that's your only option, and if that's your only way of maneuvering through that phase in your life, then what you need to do as the person is deal with them at an arm's reach, because you can't get them in too close, or else it's going to fuck up your self-esteem, and you don't need that, okay?
Thank you so much, and I love you so much.
Thank you, baby.
and that we're here and we support you.
Thank you so much. I love you guys. And
Love you
Aw,
too.
love you too.
You too,
Stay
baby.
strong.
Yes, Dior, pure poison.
All right, next caller.
Two Twisted Sisters.
I was saying that you grew up differently than
Yeah.
some of us. Tell us about that.
Oh, snap.
Okay. As soon as we get into it, that's okay.
It's okay. These callers are giving me life. Hey, Two Twisted Sisters. What's your name and where are you calling from?
You know what is so
I'm
crazy to
calling all the
me?
way from London.
What? What's your name, doll?
I just wanted to, my name is Kristen. I just wanted to shout out to my sister Shauna. She's always been an inspiration to me. And I just want to tell you I love you, baby. And thank you for always giving me the strength that I need when I need it. I love you so much,
Oh my
Shauna.
God. Oh my God.
You
Y'all,
have
this is
to.
crazy.
You have to look. You got my eyes. Look, everybody.
I love you more.
And I'm proud of you because you're doing it.
People don't even know the struggle. Like, it's so hard.
You deserve everything.
Ugh.
This
It's-
speaks volumes.
But look, and this is what I have an issue with. How is it I have all of these thousands of followers on Facebook, only 80 live, but the phone is ringing off the hook?
Right.
You get what I'm saying?
Right.
Two Twisted Sisters. What's your name and where are you calling from?
This is Alex.
Hey,
Honey,
Alex.
And this is from New York City.
What's good,
love New
NYC? What's going on, Alex?
I love you, girl. Girl, you are amazing. You are lovely. You are
Thank you.
beautiful.
Thank you.
You're talented. I just, like you were saying before, because I was
everybody. And another thing is, I want to say that you are solely amazing and truly to always be showing your truth. But the question I have is, why do